And if you're looking for somebody to tear something apart for you, Taylor's your man. Scare ya?
Yeah.
Taylor's working on some wood damage here, some paneling repair. I'm on the roof, he's in the bathroom. Big repair.
New skylight.
Yeah. So we'll work on getting all this wood rot replaced in these studs. The paneling that was in the bathroom is going to have to be replaced. Now we're trying to decide what we're going to do up front. You killed it. That's Taylor cutting the new trusses. Table saw's a little old, but she's getting her done.
Trust me.
Here's what he's got so far. This new panel is in for the bathroom. He's getting these two trusses cut into shape so we can get them installed. Don't rest on Taylor. He gets stuff done quick. A little dark in here, but you can see from the underneath side the new panel is in. Looks awesome. Everything's up underneath the walls. Can't even tell. So nice. New studs are in for trusses. Nice. Taylor. Hey, buddy. Looking good. Tub might need cleaned out. Sweet. Gosh, that looks good. Like new. Yeah, what are we gonna do up there? Yikes. Well, the roof job Taylor's been working on, we're gonna go ahead and tear this front apart, but you can see bad. All of this caused because the front seam was leaking. All right, guys, we got Taylor here. His roof job that he's been working on has now turned into a front wall repair, so he's been tearing that down. Let's take a look and see how he's doing. You can see, there's the front wall, demolition style. Nice. So you can see we've had to remove this whole front wall from the roof panel down. You can now see straight into the front bedroom on this unit. But as much water damage as was there, this was really our only option. So, you can see the cabinets up here. We're gonna have to rebuild a section here, rebuild this section here, all the way down to the front hitch. New front going in already. If you guys remember, Daniel had a big toy hauler in here that he was fixing the sidewall on. The back pylon was damaged. We put a new piece on, seamed it. It's now back from paint. You can see it looks pretty good. Daniel's putting it all back together. Got our new tin on the back. It's gonna look a little newer than the rest just because of fading. The paint turned out good. It's blended in really nicely with the rest of the unit. Get all the trims put back on and get it sealed back up. All right, Taylor has got this front structure all rebuilt. You can see, and to custom build all these blocks so the tin would take the shape of the trailer. All new studs, same thing, custom build these blocks down here. Got our new white panel that will show on the inside. Looks really good. So there's what we took out. Here's the new. So we'll get this insulated. We can start putting the tin back on the front. And inside, you can see up front our new wall paneling. We weren't going to be able to color match that paneling with what you see over here on the sides, so we went ahead and matched it to the white ceiling panel, which I think looks really good. It actually, whenever you change to a white panel, it kind of brightens the room up anyway, so looks fantastic. Nice work, Taylor. Professional sealant guy. Nice. Look at this thing. It's like new. Sweet. All right, Taylor's ready to roll this new rubber on the roof. We've got all the wood damage repair on the front and the section in the bathroom that was damaged. You can see these two, this sheet here and this sheet here are new. All the trusses are new. I showed you the paneling the other day that was new. Front's all back together. Got our rubber and our glue and we're ready to roll. All right, friends. I got into work a little late today, some home issues, but you can see Taylor has got the new rubber down. We put that down yesterday. He's got the vents back in, getting everything resealed. Up here on the front, we've got all the metal back on. Structure's all rebuilt. Looks nice.